Ankr introduces token staking toolkits for yield hunting communities. The product will initially be offered on Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Phantom Networks. Crypto infrastructure provider Ankr has released a line of software development kits, SDK, allowing developers to offer token staking and yield farming to users of their projects and platforms. The SDKs will be offered on the Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Chain, Avalanche and Phantom Networks at first. Once integrated, developers can allow users to stake tokens and earn rewards in return for a liquid staking token. Liquid staking allows users to, in effect, earn a yield on their locked tokens by issuing new tokens with an equivalent value to the locked ones. This frees up capital and makes such products attractive to users. Products such as Ether staking service Lido hold $6.2 billion in locked value. Annualized yields offered by popular protocols, such as Compound and Aave, range from 3% to 10%. More than $86 billion in cryptocurrency is locked in decentralized finance, DeFi, projects across multiple blockchains. To encourage users to participate, the protocols generate their own tokens, which are generally traded on the open market and have a total capitalization of tens of billions of dollars. The staking toolkit connects to Ankr's staking platform, which delegates tokens to validators and mints new liquid staking tokens that the stakers can claim for their personal wallets. They can then be used on other DeFi platforms to bolster earnings. Ankr will charge developers a cut of staking fees for providing the SDKs, and the staking revenue. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.